How to be. How to show your love to your boyfriend. Write it out. This could be a written letter he can save, an email, a heart-to-heart where you tell him how much you love him and all the things you appreciate about him, or just a quick "I love you" a few times per day. You could even send him a text now and then. Just be careful not to bombard him with them several times per day, or you might come across as creepy rather than lovey-dovey. Taking care of yourself. Shedding stress, eating right, exercising, quitting smoking, and even pampering yourself may sound like treats for you, but they're also ways to show you love him. This communicates, "I want to have a long, wonderful life with you, and I'll do whatever it takes to prevent you from experiencing the grief of losing someone." What is better motivation there to get healthy? A big hug. Instead of a quick peck before running out the door, choose a lingering embrace. While women connect verbally, men connect more through touch. Hug, for at least 7 seconds. It's a long time, but there is something about that number where the hold ends up really giving him something. And there's no doubt you'll like it, too. Cook his favorite foods. Cook him his favorite meal one night, when it's not his birthday or another special occasion. Set the table and light some candles to create a romantic atmosphere. Not only will he love that you've done this, but he'll really feel like you listened to him, because you know what food he loves. Give him gifts. Don't go out of your way to spend money you don't have, but if you see something you can afford and think he'd love it, pick it up for him. Let him know it reminded you of him. In other words, you're saying, "I think of you when we're not together." This could be a silly little toy that takes you back to a funny or sentimental moment on a previous date, something he needs or wants but won't get for himself, or something that represents him or a part of his personality. Make gifts for your anniversaries sentimental or something practical. If he's not into sentimental, that will still mean a lot to him, like tickets to a sporting event he's always wanted to attend. Give him space. If you love him, give him space to spend time with his friends and family. He shouldn't have to spend all of his time devoted to you or you to him. Allow him time to spend with other people, and he'll know you respect him in his own life. Be willing to understand when he acts difficult. If your boyfriend gets moody at times or gets into an argument, just be sweet and understanding of him. There is no better way to show your love for him than to be understanding of his behavior. This does not mean that you are a doormat to whatever nonsense he dishes out. It just means that you are willing to be patient and loving when you know he's just being foolish. He is bound to appreciate your understanding nature, and he will feel grateful to have such a girlfriend. Thanks for watching. Our channel is created and developed by a small team of enthusiasts. If we helped you, and you want to support us, click on the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. See you soon.